So GM. I don't want to talk much. I want to go straight forward. This is Crypto-Fotismós, where we break crypto terms to the lowest for everyone to understand. So today has really been a confusing day since ICE blockchain officially announced that they are building on BNB. Some of you already have the notion that, no, these guys are leaving their blockchain, they are scammers, blah, blah, blah. But the truth there is that they are not leaving their blockchain. They are still building on their blockchain. Just imagine that wION is a house and you are now wION yourself as a house owner, and then you go to a mall which is BNB and you want to do transaction. Now tell okay, we don't collect the kind of money that is in your house, so come. They now take it to like bureau de change. Then they now tell you okay, come, we'll now give you wION in BNB. Like, it's not like they're giving you BNB, it's the same your wION that you still be seeing, but they will add, like it's a cake, they will add icing of wION to you, or sorry, of BNB to that wION, and then give you. Then you now use it and spend it in that mall. Then if you are going home, that is, you are going back to your chain wION now. You now see go back, they now switch and give you the wION you lock with them. That is your chain that's remaining. So they are not leaving their chain, they are just expanding. wION is multi-chain, so they are just expanding to the chain to get the visibility. You know that they are building one of the new tech. If they are going to physically start from the scratch, it will take us more longer time. So they are now leveraging and saying, since BNB has over 400 million users active on their chain, let's leverage on this altogether. Just like, for example, now I have held BTC on BNB. BTC on BNB. I did not need to go to BTC chain because I cannot dare it. I was looking for an airdrop. I think it was around $14, and I was charged 0 point something in the gas fee. I held BTC on BNB chain. This is just the thing you are doing, and all the fees, everything goes back to wION chain. This is just wION chain expanding. They are not leaving their chain, as most of you are feeling now. They get more visibility, more user base, more whales. All those BNB whales will now come in, and you know there's what we call core believers. Those guys do not go to any other chain. If it's not BNB chain, they die there. So for those kind of people, wION will not be there. They are not leaving their chain. They don't need to bridge to wION, but they will still use wION, and whatever they are doing, wION will feel the impact. If they pump money, wION is going to pump on wION chain altogether. So do not be afraid. Exposing new liquidity, new access to user base and visibility. It's just like, for example, if you are going to work, are you leaving your house? No, this is what wION is doing. For example, you are going to shop from your house. Are you leaving your house? You still come back to your house. This is what they are just doing. They are not leaving the chain. They are really there. So nobody should get you afraid that wION is leaving the chain. It's just expanding in such a way that you will not need to bridge, but you can still use the wION token in BNB chain. This is what they are just doing. And every liquidity they are getting, imagine how PancakeSwap now is very big. It will house BNB chain. So for all BNB core believers that don't want to come to wION chain, they can still get access to some of these things on the chain. So do not be confused. Stay close. Catch you in Crypto-Fotismós always. And like and subscribe. Thank you.